G'day guys, my name's James. Today I'm going to be taking you through the ins and outs of die grinding. Die grinders are handheld tools for grinding, honing, polishing, sanding and machining materials, particularly metal. Die grinders tend to be pneumatically driven, which means powered by compressed air, but smaller battery units can also be used for lighter jobs. Many types of cutters and grinding stones are available. This tool in particular comes with a range of stones varying coarseness, sizes and shapes to ensure all parts of the workpiece can be accessed. Pink stones are versatile units used for a variety of steels and alloys where sharp cutting action is required and are quite durable. White stones are good for removal of finer particles and around 300 grit. These are good for pre-polishing, carving and smoothing surfaces. These bits can be used on metal, glass, ceramic, stone and wood. Blue stones are generally 120 grit and recommended for hard steel. These cut well and leave a smooth surface. Tungsten carbide burrs are extremely hard and can be used for more aggressive metal removal. Double cut is shown here, as shown by the double flutes. This tool set comes with two lots of collets, one being 1/8 of an inch, as shown here with this 1/8 of an inch tool. The second is 1/4 of an inch, which fits the larger tools as shown. This tool set comes with two C-spanners to change the collet. Before continuing, remember to disconnect the air hose or lock off the air from the handle, in this case, to prevent any injury by accidentally pressing the machine on. If I wanted to change from a larger tool to a smaller tool, I would need to use the different size collet. Take the smaller C-spanner and put it on the bottom, and the larger C-spanner to pull it on the top. Pull out the tool, twist the top thread off, remember righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, pull out the larger collet, replace with the smaller collet, screw the cap back on, place the tool inside, place the larger C-spanner on top, fumble around, and tighten with holding the bottom C-spanner. As with all grinding equipment, it's best to let the workpiece do the work. This means not applying too much pressure on the tool, especially when using carbide bits, as too much pressure chips away the flutes and as the flutes bite into the material. Try to keep the carbide burr or the stone moving and not to stay in the same position, as this will limit the amount of jabbing and digging into the material. To start the die grinder, move the latch forward and press down with the thumb. Remember to secure your workpiece and always wear the correct PPE. Another useful tool is this mini belt sander. It is perfect for hard to reach places such as grinding back dags of metal from welds and previous cuts, grinding back surface rust on this piece of square hollow section, and removing sharp burrs to make the workpiece safe to handle. Make sure oil attachment is fitted to keep components lubricated. Top up when needed. Again guys, thanks for watching. Always remember to wear correct PPE for safety,